Nobody ever told you the dirty little secret about mature hair and gray hair. They never told me. So what I discovered was my hair is dry. Now, one would think that one would know. I didn't know. I just thought my hair was difficult, but I didn't know it was dry. I mean, really dry. Remember, I went up to Northern California and I was by the ocean and my hair was just crazy. It wouldn't behave. It was curly. It was frizzy. It was out of control. And I couldn't stand the way I looked. Oh my goodness, I was moaning and complaining. Well, that was my, shall we say, my epiphany. That was my moment of truth. Because when I came back down to LA, I said, I've got to do something about my hair. What is going on with it? And what I discovered was that it was dry. It wasn't a little dry. It wasn't a tiny bit dry. It was really, really, really dry. And that's when I discovered the, what is he called? The blowout professor. And since then, I've been on a crusade to find the right products for my hair. So I got a bunch of products and they were, I'm going to tell you about all of them. And I was using them, but my hair would still, if I'd sit down here and my hair would be nice and sleek, it would look really good. And then it would slowly, slowly, slowly get big and I lost all control of it. So I had a choice. I was either going to wear my hair curly, although I don't have curly hair, I have wavy hair, or I needed to straighten it. And I was very worried about straightening it, so I called my doctor and told him my concerns, and he said, no problem, you can get it straightened. Okay, so I got it straightened, and oh my goodness, so I got a keratin treatment. And you know, it really does have terrible smells, but the woman who gives me my keratin treatment came over to the house and loves sitting outside, and she sits by the pool and we talk and we have a grand old time, and she loves seeing where I shoot and we talk. Anyway, we have a really good time. But so that made all the difference in the world, was having a really good keratin treatment. But still, it wasn't until I started using a number of products to put moisture in my hair, because, you know, you're affected by your age. You know, I'm 82. You're affected by hormones. I don't think I've got a hormone in my body. You're affected by surgeries, which I have had numerous, and you're affected by inheritance, and I've inherited a lot of losing hair. I really didn't know about moisturizing your hair, but now I know. So I would watch people like Kat Farmer talk about how she'd put in a mask and leave it on all night. And I thought, oh, I don't know about that. And I'd hear people talk about hair masks, but I thought that it involved too much time and too much effort, and that you had to, you know, take time out of your day. And I didn't really want to do it. I seem to be busy all the time. So what I did was I learned more about it, and I discovered, who was it? I don't remember how I discovered it, to be honest, that you can, oh, let me show you something. So I bought this oil, Olaplex hair oil, bonding oil, something like that. What is it called? Oh, okay. So I bought this oil, bonding oil, number 7, and I never knew how to use it. But I found out from the blowout professor, you use 1 drop, maybe 2, just maybe 1. Okay, you go like this. Now look at my hair now. Now look at what happens when I just go along the bottom and just get the ends, right? And do a little here. Let's see. Do you see how it smooths it all out? Look, it really makes a difference, right? Okay, so that's one thing I discovered. I also discovered what shampoo had I been using? Oh, I'd been using Olaplex, and then I got worried about it, so I stopped using Olaplex. And then the Blowout Professor highly recommends the Moroccan oil shampoo, and so does Tammy's Ageless Beauty. I'll tell you more about her. So what I started buying was Moroccan oil. And the one that I'm using, the first one I bought was for volume. I didn't realize that. And my hair was sticking out, so I don't need volume. What I needed was, this is Repair Shampoo, Moisture Repair Shampoo. And notice, all of you who told me to take a marker and put an S for shampoo on my shampoo, that's what I did for you. That's what I did, thank you. So I've got the Moisture Repair Shampoo, so I use that shampoo. I also use this because Blowout Professor told me to. So about once, I'd say, I used it 2 weeks ago, so I'll probably use it again. And he believes in this Redken Hair Cleansing Cream shampoo, and it takes all the gunk out of your hair, you know, when you put a lot of products in, which I do. So I use this once, I'd say once a month. So with using this shampoo, the Moisture Repair Shampoo, I also, after I shampoo, I use just, if you have long hair, which I don't, but if you have long hair, you want to use this just to get rid of the tangles. I use it just as an extra kind of smoothing treatment. And this is the Moroccan Oil Hydration Conditioner. I didn't realize how this really doesn't give you the richness of a conditioner. I thought using something like this was just fine. It isn't. You need more. So I use this, and oh, I've got a tip for you. Do you have gray hair? Well, so Tammy Ageless Beauty, or Timeless Beauty, it's one of those, I'll put it in the show more box below, says do not use purple shampoos because they dry out your hair. And I've been told this by many people, that, you know, only use a purple shampoo once in 10 days, something like that, because it dries out your hair so much. So what Tammy does, and what I don't have, she uses purple conditioner. How smart is that? So I'm going to get rid of the purple shampoos, get rid of them, and I haven't bought them yet, but I'm going to buy the purple conditioners. So I would put the purple conditioner on and let that tone down the yellow. My hair, I don't know about your hair, but ever since I went gray, my hair absorbs color, so that I really only use white on my hair, white shampoos, white conditioners, unless I'm using a purple one. And then I don't use a purple one so often because it makes my hair purple, and I don't want to have purple hair. So so after I shampoo, after I put a light conditioner on, as I say, if you have tangles, it gets all the tangles out, but it doesn't really do the job. Then I put on a mask. Now, when I was younger, when I'm going to say 20s, before I had my kids, I used to exercise, and then in those days, I would go into the jacuzzi and the steam room, and I used to put on a conditioner on my hair. Do you remember if there was an Ultima conditioner? There was something that was supposed to be the ultimate best, and I can't remember the name of it. Maybe you remember. Anyway, I used to put on this conditioner, but what happened? Why did I stop? You know what? I just didn't have time, didn't think of it, but now I do. So what I do is I've got a group of conditioners, and these are deep conditioners. I bought this Kerastase. It's very, very expensive. I don't know when I bought it, and I don't know why I bought it, and I don't think I'd buy it. It's that expensive, but I've got it. I don't know how. So I take turns. I use this on my hair after that other conditioner while I'm still in the shower. This is Philip Kingsley, and this is a very famous conditioner. And what I should do is, before I shower, I should wet my hair, put this on, and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Have I done it? No, but I should. So I will. But you know, when I'm doing I'll do it. But this what is this called? Philip Kingsley elasticizer is he was a very famous trichologist, and he has really excellent products, and I should be doing this. And Kat Farmer does this. She sleeps in it, so she really believes in this. I don't know, I guess she lets her hair dry and she keeps this in. With Philip Kingsley, you wet your hair, put this on, then you put on one of those throwaway plastic caps, and you leave it on so that, you know, the heat from your hair, you know, it intensifies the treatment. So what I do is when I'm in the shower and I want to moisturize my hair deeply, give myself a mask, I bought this. It's called Briogeo, and I got it at Sephora, and it's supposed to be really, really, really good. So what I do is I glop this on my hair while I'm in the shower. Remember, the shower is still going, and I put this on so that my hair heats it up, or my head heats it up, and then I shave my legs, I shave my armpits, I wash everything, and I clean everything, and when I'm done, then I rinse it out. But at least I'm using a really heavy-duty moisturizing shampoo, this is a conditioning mask. Now I do alternate it with, this is again Briogeo, and this is it's a mega strength treatment for moisture and moisture strengthening treatment. And I got this at Sephora. You press this down, there are two streams that come out, and I do this the same way as I use this. I put it on my hair, put on a cap, and then finish, you know, my emollients of my body. Now I've also got this mask from Moroccan oil, and I think this is the strong one, hydration. So I also use this. So I switch between these as a way to get the best I can. Oh, and when I wash my hair, I love using this. And I used to use it the wrong way. I used to use it, you know, with the thick way down. Wait, is that the right way? Oh my goodness. Or is this the right way? I can't remember. Wait. I can't remember. There's one way where it falls out of your hand, and there's another way where it stays in your hand. But I love rubbing my hair with this. So I think that's about it. The thing is, you need to moisturize. Remember, I did a video all about moisturizing your body and everything else. Your hair, if you've got gray hair, you really, really need to moisturize a lot. So they say to have a mask once a week. I use a mask every single time I wash my hair. How often do I wash my hair? I don't know, every time I do a video, usually, and I'd say at least every three days. So, and I think this trick about, it isn't a trick, this idea of using a conditioner instead of a shampoo is a brilliant one. And you put the conditioner in your hair and you leave it for a long time, and it tones your hair. So I think that's a brilliant idea. Am I happy with all of these? Very happy. Do I need more? I don't know. So my hair, it's you know, it moves. It feels great. It feels like hair. It doesn't feel dry and yucky. So that's the big deal about hair, is moisturizing it. So what you're not spending on dyeing your hair, what you're not spending on going to the hairdresser, you're going to spend on products to moisturize your hair and make it feel good and shine. My hair has never been so shiny. My hair has never, it really, you feel it, and my goodness, it feels like good hair. You know, it doesn't feel dry like it used to feel. So all of these are working, and I'm thrilled with them. So that's the big secret that nobody tells you about. You know, I'm always forgetting. Please click the button for the thumbs up, and subscribe, and press the bell so that you'll be notified. Okay? Thank you.